Hi friends, this week we're learning about feelings. After watching the video, I want you to look at these pictures and these blurbs and draw the faces. The first picture of the little boy says, "I'm happy." What kind of face do you think you could draw when you show somebody you're happy? The next little girl, her bubble says, "I'm hungry." What kind of face do you have when you're hungry? The third little boy at the top says, "I'm sad." Oh no, he's sad. What kind of face do you draw on someone who is sad? At the bottom, this little boy's picture says, "I'm hot." It's so hot outside. What kind of face do you draw when someone is hot? The next picture in the middle says, "I'm thirsty." What do you draw to represent someone's thirsty? And the last picture says, "Oh, I'm tired." What should you draw for this face? At the bottom, I'd like you to write how you are feeling. Are you happy, hungry, sad, hot, thirsty, or tired? You can write that down here on the line. I hope you all are having a great day, and I will see you soon.